Alex and Carlos have created their wealth through investing in commercial real estate and opening new businesses. They make ideas into opportunities by bringing value, executing it with hard work, and closing it successfully.
Starting a new business is right for us because we can take an idea, turn it into an opportunity, and build something from scratch. We create a team and feel a sense of satisfaction when accomplishing helping others, solving a problem, or bringing a new service or product to town.
Working for myself was always a dream that I learned from my father. I'm a very hands-on type of man and never wanted to depend on one income to cover my lifestyle. I'm multi-talented and I've always believed on how businesses should be ran. For this fact, I've always been motivated to start new companies and invest in individuals.
I lead by example. I love helping other individuals like myself achieve their dreams. This fulfills me heavily. Helping them become their own boss, leaders like myself, has always been my passion.
We prefer to own 1% of 100 businesses than owning 100% of one. For this reason, I invest with Carlos in different business industries to then turn our profits and invest them back into commercial real estate